All right, so here we have the alarm boxes for Pacific Electrical, and right now we have one box. We'll call this the master box, connected to an alarm switch and or to a float switch. And if the float switch opens the circuit, then all of them will go into alarm. So it kind of cascades down the series. There's a bit of a delay, 2-second delay, I think it is, and then this one will start alarming, and then finally the last one. And these alarms can be silenced from any position. So we'll just pick position number 2, and then the buzzers shut off, and then all of the beacons continue to flash until the float switch is reset, like this. In addition to that, so right here, we'll just show you, this is kind of intended for the intrinsically safe barrier. So we've got the float switch right now connected directly to the terminals. LS1 is the terminals that we connected to. Is there a screwdriver? Yep, just so I can point. So LS, on the circuit board it's labeled LS1, but it's these two here. So where's the labeling? Well, it's kind of hard to get at. I'll show it in another box. Anyway, so if it becomes disconnected for some reason, then it'll go into alarm. And in addition, if we disconnect one of these circular connectors, it will also go into alarm. So, or if this cable breaks, same idea. They start going into alarm, starting with the lead box, and then the other boxes down the line. Oh no, that's incorrect. No, actually, if it's disconnected, only the lead box will go into alarm. Looks like. Silence from here. So you want to reconnect that for me? Let's see what else. So if we have it, and all of them can be tested from any location. So if we just push this as a test, it will test all of the boxes. And then what we'll do is just, why don't you just break this one here just to see what happens. So it's every box downstream of this one goes into alarm. Yeah. And these are blanking plugs. Actually, you can screw that in. If you only want to use 2 in the chain, that's what the blanking plug is for. And now this unit number 3 has been disconnected because of the break between box 2. So it's protesting, and so what we have to do is put an alarm or a blanking plug into this one as well. Right now these plugs aren't, they're kind of loose. Obviously those will be fastened to the side of the enclosure, but just to show the concept, that's what we have right now. Anything else I forgot, Hunter? Yeah, okay. Oh, and just to take a closer look inside of one of these. So we've left just a brown wire in place. What happened to that screwdriver? Brown. Well, this will work. So there's so the box can be triggered from here also. If you want to put a float switch in both boxes, that's okay. And still looking for the LS1 labeling. Well, it's
completely under the wire.
It's under the wires. Well, anyway, it's those 2 terminals. So, all right, that's it.